questions with us. Good afternoon, Mr. Rudramurthy. It's really nice talking to you this afternoon. But the markets, as we clearly see, the broader markets are also mirroring the benchmarks and no signs of relief. Last trading session of the week, what's your stance on the market?
Good afternoon, Mansi, and thanks for having me in the show. See, we have to keep in mind the larger picture. So, post the India-Pakistan war, whatever we had, 24,500 to 25,500, we saw a non-stop 1,000 point move in Nifty, and Bank Nifty, in fact, went to all-time highs and it performed much better than Nifty. Now, yes, we are seeing some amount of time-wise consolidation, and yes, there is some amount of profit booking in areas where you don't have margin of safety or valuation comfort, but still this market for me will remain a buy on dip market till we hold on to those levels of 25,000 on Nifty spot. Yes, 25,200 was a very crucial support. Even though we are trading below those levels right now, I am not sure whether will we close below 25,000 or not. So I want to give that benefit of doubt still to bulls. And this market is not a market where you have to go and short and select stocks to go short on as a short-term trader, but still you have lot of sector-specific and stock-specific opportunity, and you have to be very stock-specific in this market and very sector-specific, and no shorting till you break the 25,000 level on Nifty. And Bank Nifty is relatively outperforming. Until Bank Nifty remains above 56,000, until Nifty remains above 25,000, I will still remain overall bullish on this market, and I will use this dip as buying opportunity. But the bigger direction will all be decided by how the Q1 results will pan out. We have just started the result season yesterday with TCS. I want to see more results to come out, but I will still remain bullish on market and will be very stock specific and sector specific.
Rudramurthy, hi, Ankur this side. You mentioned about being stock specific. Which are your picks? I want to ask, and more than that, you mentioned sectors several times. So, which will be those sectors?
Ankur, very clear. Pharma is number one sector, and you have already seen some stocks performing great like Glenmark. In fact, repeatedly in your channel, I have told three pharma stocks to buy will be Glenmark, Laurus Lab, and Biocon. Glenmark has already performed well. Laurus is also doing, and so too even Biocon. Still, if you get any opportunity or any dips in these three stocks, I will be a buyer, and pharma will be my number one pick even at current level. Post that, yes, you have been seeing consumer discretionary doing very good, and in general, if you want to say FMCG, yes, you can look into that as a sector. And also for me, PSU banks really look very good, whether you want to pick up SBI or you want to pick up Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank. There is a lot of margin of safety and still valuation comfort there. OMCs is another basket where crude oil now staying way below $70 per barrel. It's a choice whether you want to pick up either Hind Petro or you want to go for BPCL or IOC, but still that sector looks very good to me. And even New Age, Select IT, and if you have to even pick up some select NBFCs, they all look very good, and market will remain very stock specific. For me, stock like Indigo is a buy at 4,000, it's a buy at 5,000, it's also a buy at 6,000. So still you have a lot of stock specific calls. From New Age, look at stocks like Paytm, look at Zomato, look at even Nykaa. They're all very, very good for me. So two stock picks for your viewers today. So one, I'm picking Biocon at current market price and on dips to levels closer to 370, be a buyer in Biocon. Look at targets of 400 to come with a stop loss of 365, and a buy on Nykaa. Stock has given a breakout above 208, long way to go. Looking at initial targets of 230 on Nykaa, keep a stop loss of 208 for this long call.
Okay, a lot of ideas coming, Mr. Rudramurthy. Thank you so much for all those takes on market as well as stock specific, and pharma healthcare diagnostic is on the positive radar. Thanks a lot for that take. Have a nice day to you and a great weekend.